I'll never get back. They were doing little shimmies and little dummies on the field.
Provided more assists this campaign than any other Burnley player. Nick Pope will be makes his 100th Premier League appearance today.
My brother, when you need a hand, we all need stocks.
This budget was not the time for tax rises. This is a view shared by a range of economic experts, from the IMF and the OECD internationally to the CBI.
Un philosophe romain et stoïcien du nom de Celsus, ou Celse en français, a écrit un traité intitulé
warm February afternoons. Tad chilly out there now for my liking, but then the days are getting longer. Already in the mornings, I get up just after 4 every morning. Already you can hear the birds tweeting early.